Hi, my name is Steve Ehrman. I'm in the Master Gardener program in Sonoma County, and I'd like to talk about sharpening pruners. There are a couple of tools you can use. One is this Speedy Sharp. It costs about $10. It has a sharp carbide edge, and the other would be just a standard file. This is an old file. Might need a newer file. But when you sharpen pruners, there's a cutting edge and then an anvil. The anvil does not get touched as long as it doesn't have burrs, but the cutting edge needs to be sharpened when it gets dull. And you can either use a file and try to maintain the same exact angle that was there, so that works quite well, or use this carbide and you come along and shave. Just shave that blade at the same angle that it was. You can see little shavings of carbon steel coming off. Then on the back side, just make sure that there are no standing burrs. So you just run that flat. And then this kind of a pruner gets wobbly, so take a wrench and tighten it up. See, that's plenty tight. It loses its wobble. And now this blade will touch against the anvil and make nice, sharp, clean cuts and not tear the branches as you're cutting them. Same goes for the hand pruners. Here's the anvil, got a little rust on it. Take that, scrape along the edge, maintain the same edge that had been there before. You can keep this in your pocket, and when you're working, just come along every once in a while and touch up your tool. Scrape the back, make sure there's no burrs, and that should work fine. That should do it. So that's how to sharpen a pruner. Just keep this in your pocket when you're working and sharpen them every once in a while if your branches start to tear from your cuts. Thank you. When you're pruning, always use some kind of a disinfectant. This is a good one. It says it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. And this does not eat into your tools as bleach does. Hydrogen peroxide works well too, better than isopropyl alcohol, but this is very convenient. It comes in the spray bottle. So when you're working, just spray every once in a while when on the same tree, or definitely after you've cut some dead wood that has been diseased. So. And then between trees, definitely spray so that you don't transfer disease from one tree to the other.